So what I did was I run a ratchet strap from the upper A-arm to the frame. So I have no sag in the upper A-arm. You're going to remove your upper pinch bolt, just the nut, lower pinch bolt, just the nut, then remove the lower pinch bolt completely. When you remove the lower pinch bolt, your lower A-arm just may fall out. If not, just give it a couple of love taps. It'll come right out. Hang on to the hub assembly and brake caliper, then remove the upper pinch bolt. When you do, this thing may just drop. If not, just give it a couple of taps, it'll come out. Move this entire assembly off to the side, support it from the bottom and from the top. What I like to use are these metal plant hangers. You get at either Home Depot or the dollar store. They're just a couple of bucks. This one I ran through the bolt hole of the upper pinch bolt and to the frame. If you're having trouble with your snap ring, hit it with a screwdriver chisel a couple of times from each side, kind of get it to rotate. If you still can't get it, smack it a few times on the top of the ball joint with a hammer, and that way you should just be able to get that thing nice and loose to take off. Remove the snap ring. Repeated blows with a small hammer works.